Okay, here's my OSSUR co-rush therapy um co-rush therapy pump thing. It's not working after 5 months. I put it away. Now try to turn it back on and it won't work. So I tested the adapter and the adapter is providing 12 volts. So it's not the transformer. In the meantime, I'm gonna ice my knee this way. So I went online. I just saw the other guy took it out, but he didn't explain how he took it out. So I'm stuck at this point. Remove the lid, remove all these screws and the bottom screws, and then he said pull the top out. So that is one information. I took out the stickers on the handlebar and I pressed that tab and it popped inside, so it's inside right now. So on this side I can press this and it'll go in, and I found this thing in between these two tabs, like inside. So I'll deal with that later, but looks like I need to pop this top out, and then I can access some more screws on the other side. So, but how? Oh, okay. Oh, crap. Yep, the top comes out first. So actually, I was able to analyze how it works. So these tubes can be bent, so I can actually pull the bucket out slightly this way. Way back here. That power is stuck right here. So I can't pull it all the way. But at least it's somewhat off. So continue. So now took that out, and then maybe these 4 screws, and see if anything got stuck in that motor while the motor is connected, and I can't get this thing out. I could do a desoldering, but I don't want to do that. I'm too lazy. I'm gonna have to see if I can check anything's blocking it. Yeah. Oops. So yes, there were two screws here and another two screws on the other side to hold this front piece together. So if you don't want to, well, there's no way or very difficult to access that. So pop the front plate in like what I did. Where did this go? Okay, there's some wetness in here. Oh, so this dries. Ew. Oh. Okay, so you can see there are some hairs and stuff or some debris in the water that got caught in this moving part here. And this moving part is wet, but it's driving thing. So anyway, all right, 12 volts, 0.5 amps. Yay. Oh yes, it turns. Very quiet. So I guess this is just cleaning. And then plug this. I don't know. Clean it. Clean it with what? Alcohol. So the electronic stuff, right? Okay, continue. Continue. Continue.
This is a military flight. Do not proceed without correct security clearance. Please select the right combat zone.
So the process is pretty much the same. And then this just kind of hinge back on, so this has no screws whatsoever. I guess that's all, folks. I mean, just put these screws back together, and hopefully the motor is not gonna get all wet, but if it ever gets stuck and not powered on, take it apart, clean it, and it will work again. Alright, thank you. Hope it helps. Like and subscribe.